Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and we have an amazing Runnn glitch deal to talk about, and it's going to get even better tomorrow with our final $25 coupon. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that Dollar General has been absolutely on fire this week. We've got new coupons, new glitches, freebies. We have Runnn deals, 85% off food, 90% off clearance items. We even have awesome deals on storage totes right now. Plus, we have a 3-day sale going on with money makers. And on top of that, I just posted our $25 scenario video earlier today with a completely free and money making scenario. And then we also have a few glitches and freebies over at Family Dollar. So if you have missed out on any of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out. They're all going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, I also want to remind everybody that the deals are in the details, so please watch the video all the way through. This is a Runnn glitch deal. It can end at any time, but we have some very important details that you all need to know about. So if you skip through the video just trying to get to the end and find the end result, you are going to miss out on this deal. You're probably going to end up at the store wondering why it didn't work out for you. So don't skip through the video, just watch it all the way through. It's a quick and short video, all right? I'm watching out for y'all. I always try to keep it as short, sweet, and simple as possible over here on the Craz-E Coupons YouTube channel. So let's go ahead and jump right in. All right, guys, this is a deal that we talked about in our 3-day sale video. I told you all that we have select Legos on sale for 50% off, which is already a fantastic deal. I don't think you're going to find that anywhere else. I did see a couple of Black Friday deals where a few Lego sets were 50% off at other stores, but this is definitely a stock up deal all by itself at 50% off. So this 3-day sale does run through Saturday, December the 16th. So if you try to go in on Sunday and do this deal, it is not going to work, all right? So with this sale, like I said, we have select Lego sets at 50% off. Let's go ahead and take a look at the specific Lego sets that are included. So first up, we have the Lego Marvel Black Panther set. These are normally priced at $10. Right now, they are on sale for just $5 each. We also have the Lego Marvel Hulk set, or the Avengers set. These are normally priced at $15. Right now they're on sale for $7.50. And then down here at the bottom we have the Lego City Holiday Camper set. These are normally priced at $20.75, but right now they are 50% off, so that makes those $10.37. Now again, I believe that those are the only 3 that are included in this sale. If there are some other ones out there, please leave us some details down in the comment section below. Now, this glitch is a self-checkout only glitch. The new registers, I have no idea. The one store that has the new registers in my area, it's a little bit farther away, and I do not have time to make it there tonight. So I did try it at the self-checkout, and I did try it at the old registers. The old registers do not work. So self-checkout only. If anybody tries it at the new registers, please let us know what happened down in the comment section below. So for this glitch, I'm going to be sharing with you all 2 different breakdowns that I tried out at self-checkout, and I can confirm they did work. But y'all keep in mind, I just showed you 3 different Lego sets at 3 different price points, so you can definitely mix and match however you would like. The goal of this deal is to make sure that your subtotal before any sale or anything is applied is $75 or more. Because with this glitch, we are going to be taking advantage of this deal right here. When you spend $75 on toys in a single transaction, you are going to save an additional 25% off at the register. So let's go ahead and take a look at these breakdowns. So for this first scenario, this is basically just the quickest and easiest way that y'all can do this deal. Pick up 5 of the Lego sets that are priced at $15 each. That is going to put your original subtotal at $75. That's before the sale, before any discounts are applied. At self-checkout, it is taking off the 25% off for that Spend 75 promo. So that's taking off $18.75, and then it is also applying our 50% off sale. So that is taking off $37.50. bringing our final price down to $18.75 for 5 items, making each Lego set just $3.75 each. Now, I don't know about you guys, but that is a fantastic deal in my book. But tomorrow is Saturday, and we will have our 5 off $25 coupon. So, with your 5 off 25, that is going to make your final price $13.75 for 5 items, making each one just $2.75 each, which is an even better deal. But I'm not done just yet, because I still have one more breakdown to share with you also. For this second deal, we are going to pick up 3 of the Lego sets that are priced at $20.75 each, and 1 Lego set that is priced at $15. That is going to put our subtotal at $77.25. At the self-checkout, it is taking off the 25% for that Spend 75 promo. So that's taking off $19.32 right off the top. And then it is also applying our 50% off sale. So that is taking off $38.62, making our final price $19.32 for all 4 Lego sets, making each one just $4.83 each. But again, if you wait and do this deal first thing in the morning with our 5 off $25 coupons, that is going to make your final price $14.32 for all 4, making those just $3.58 each. Alright guys, so here's a look at my receipt with that exact deal that we just went over. As you all can see, my subtotal after tax was $21.09. So your subtotal may vary just a little bit, but it should be around the $20 range, $18 to $20 range on both deals. And also, I want to go ahead and apologize. I know this video is getting out late. I had a lot of things that I needed to take care of today, and then I just had something just pop up right in the middle of the day that was completely unexpected. So I do apologize that this video is getting out so late, but hopefully this works out even better, because we can get up first thing in the morning as soon as those doors open, run in, grab your Lego sets, and you're going to save an additional $5 with that 5 off 25 coupon. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for me for now, but make sure that you go back and watch my original 5 off $25 scenario video. Like I said, we have a completely free scenario and a money maker, so go check that out as well. Y'all know what I'm going to be doing first thing tomorrow morning. I'm going to be running to Dollar General, and I'm going to be picking up some Lego sets. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure that you stick around and stay tuned, because I have more crazy deals coming at you all very, very soon. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.